Hello everyone, my name is Sky and I'm a librarian at Brampton Library. For today's Take and Make kit, we are going to learn printmaking. Here is what you will need for printmaking. 1 styrofoam sheet, 1 sheet of cardstock, a pencil, scissors, water-based markers, and a wet paper towel. Here is how printmaking works. First, let's cut our styrofoam sheet into a smaller size. You can also use the full sheet of styrofoam if you would like for your design. Next, let's draw our design on the styrofoam sheet using our pencil. You can draw any design you can think of. Make it as simple or as complicated as you want. I'm drawing some flowers since you can make them very colorful. While drawing, make sure you are not touching the surface of the styrofoam too much. The colored markers will not transfer as effectively with your fingerprints on the surface. Once you have completed your drawing, color your design with the water-based markers. You can color in your design however you want. For example, you can color in the design itself or color across the whole design. It is up to you. Next, grab your piece of cardstock and a wet paper towel. Use the paper towel to dampen the cardstock. Make sure you wet your paper really well by covering the entire surface. Once you have dampened the cardstock, place the paper on the styrofoam plate, wet side down, and push down really hard so all of the color will transfer. If you would like, you can check on the progress as you go by lifting up the corner of the cardstock. Once it looks like the color transferred, you can peel back your cardstock and admire your finished image. You can reuse your styrofoam plate as many times as you want, just make sure you wipe it off really well. Use your imagination and the rest of your styrofoam to design plates for cards, stamps, or anything else you can think of.